Hello students, welcome back to geography class with the chapter climate. Today we will discuss only about the pressure and the wind system which affects the climate of any place. The pressure and the wind conditions in India is very unique. During winter season there is a high pressure area in the northern part of our country, as well as it remains cold, dry wind blow from the region to the low pressure area. Low pressure area is developed in the southern region over the oceans to the south. And in summer, a low pressure area is developed in the northern plain, and whereas in the southern we have the high pressure area. This cause a complete reversal of direction of winds during the summer. Air moves from high pressure area over the southern Indian Ocean and in southeasterly direction, crosses the equator and turn right toward the low pressure area over the Indian subcontinent. As we had already seen in Zoom class through the video, how it enters in India from the state of Kerala. These are known as the southwest monsoon winds. These winds blow over the warm oceans, gather moisture, means collect moisture, and bearing widespread rainfall over the mainland of India. The pressure and the wind system of any area depends on latitude and altitude of the place, which is highly influencing the temperature and the rainfall pattern of that area. The climate and the weather condition of our country is governed by atmospheric conditions like pressure and surface wind, upper air circulation, western cyclonic disturbances, and tropical cyclones. See, India entirely lies in the easterly wind region, means most of the winds blow from eastern direction. These winds originate from the subtropical high pressure belt of the northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere means the hemisphere that lies in the northern part. They blow south, get deflected to the right due to the Coriolis force. This is actually the force which is due to the rotation of the earth on its own axis. यानी कि जब अर्थ अपने एक्सिस पे रोटेट होती है तो एक प्रकार का फोर्स प्रोड्यूस होता है, दैट इज एक्चुअली नोन एज Coriolis force, and because of this force these winds are deflected toward the southern direction. And in India's south we have the equatorial low pressure area. Now, what happened in the northern part of our country? Jet streams are located at 27 to 30 degree north latitude are known as subtropical westerly jet stream. एक्चुअली अब आप समझिए कि जेट स्ट्रीम होती क्या है. दीज आर फास्ट, वेरी फास्ट ब्लोइंग विंड्स विच आर ब्लोइंग इन द अपर एयर और अपर एयर सर्कुलेशन, यानी कि धरती से, यानी कि सरफेस से जो काफ़ी हाइट के ऊपर जो ये तेज़ हवाएं चलती हैं, उन हवाओं को हम बोलते हैं जेट स्ट्रीम. ओवर इंडिया दीज जेट स्ट्रीम ब्लो साउथ ऑफ द हिमालयाज all through the year except in summer. The western cyclonic disturbances experienced in the north and northwest part of the country are brought in by this westerly flow. And in summer, the subtropical westerly jet streams move north of the Himalayas with the apparent movement of the sun. और आपको पता है सीज़न जब चेंज होते हैं, these are because of revolution of the earth. So during the summer season, northern hemisphere is close to the sun, directly facing toward the sun, and in winter it is very far away from the sun. And easterly jet stream called tropical easterly jet streams that blows over the peninsular India approximately over 14 degrees north during the summer season. Air masses circulate globally. See, as you had already seen in the video which I show you in Zoom class, कि land and water, these two are the part of this earth, and air also moves over these two areas. So air over the land quickly hots up, whereas the air over the water bodies or oceans, it takes a long time to be warmer. तो होता क्या है कि land, the air that blows over the land quickly hots up or became warmer, and they start blowing toward a upper direction or to the higher region. Is that clear? And as soon as when they reach to the higher region, they are deflected. दे आर डिफ्लेक्टेड, यानी कि मूवमेंट उनका डायरेक्शन अपना चेंज कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, वो डायरेक्शन चेंज क्यों करते हैं? इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ द अर्थ. ऑटोमेटिकली कुछ जो एयर है वो नॉर्दर्न डायरेक्शन में जाती है, कुछ एयर का मूवमेंट होता है सदर्न डायरेक्शन में. तो ये तो सिर्फ मैंने एक एग्जांपल आपको बताया है बिकॉज ऑफ टेकिंग द एग्जांपल फ्रॉम द लैंड एंड वाटर. ठीक है, बट our earth, the surface wind moves or circulate globally. In map also it is given in the book, then only it is easier for you to understand ki how and where these winds move. At the equator, temperature are relatively high, land and water masses heat up, and as a result they warm the air over them. This heated air at the equatorial region rises to the top of the atmosphere. More air rising beneath its forces the air masses to spread north and south toward the pole. Now, in detail, the Coriolis effect. The rotation of the earth causes all moving objects in the northern hemisphere, including air mass, to deflect the right and those in the southern hemisphere to move to left. यानी कि नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर की जो विंड्स हैं, जो एयर है, वो होती हैं किस तरफ मूव करेंगी? राइट हैंड साइड में. और सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर की विंड्स किधर की ओर डिफ्लेक्ट करेंगी? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. और ये क्यों करेंगी? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोरियोलिस इफेक्ट. एंड दिस कोरियोलिस इफेक्ट इज एब्सेंट एट द इक्वेटर. इक्वेटर पे होता नहीं है ये चीज़. Coriolis force prevent a direct simple flow from the equator to the poles. This is actually known as Farrell's law. That's all in this video. Have a great day. God bless each one of you.